everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup, where we talk about all things beauty related. Today, guess what we're gonna do today? Can you guys guess? I'll give you a second. No, I'll wait. Oh yeah, I forgot you guys can see what I'm doing from the title of my video. I knew that. But today, no surprise, I have another unboxing for you guys. This is the first time I've ever got a Boxycharm Fomo box. So I didn't even know what FOMO meant until I researched it and Googled it. But it stands for Fear of Missing Out. And to be honest with you, I got this box because it was a fear of missing out on the palette that's in here. So it definitely is the truth. I was in fear of missing out on this palette, which I will show you guys what it is if you stay tuned and watch the rest of my video. If you haven't had a chance, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like unboxing videos. Alright, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so this box is a lot smaller than the regular Boxycharm boxes. When I got this, I was like, what is this? Why is it so small? I thought it was some of my add-ons that I ordered, but it was not my add-ons. So I got my FOMO box and I got my, is this add-ons or pop-ups? I think this is pop-ups because they were on sale, but then I think the add-ons is on sale too. But nevertheless, sometimes I think to myself, sorry about that, I got these hemp wipes. So I got this in my Boxycharm box before. And this is, forgive me if I say this wrong, do not come for me, but Evian Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Now, I like them so much that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lucky number 5. I should have got 6. I think it's lucky number 6. But, wait, it's lucky number 7. Well, it's lucky number 5 today. So, yes, I love these. Whenever you get on pop-up, the stuff is like 80% off. So, I want to say I think I paid like $4 a pack for this, or $3 or $4. Like, it was like ridiculously cheap. The price of it was already cheap, but now I got it 80% off. So I was like, let me stack up on these. And then also, the Charm Room opened up in I think last week, like the ending of last week. It was Friday, and I ordered another one of these. I got as one of my charms. I think it was 21. Yeah, and I had 21 charms, so I used it for that. So that's that. So actually I will have 6 of them. So let's see what I got in my box. Let's see what I got in my box. Alright. So tiny. I'm going to save this box. Alright, so as always, they give you a little card. This is what the card looks like. It tells you everything that you're going to get in your box. But let's start off with why I got this box. So I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for, I want to say, like a year now. So I already have most of everything that they give. So I knew already when I got this FOMO box, it was going to be things in here that I already got. But I just really wanted this palette. So sometimes you win some, you lose some. What can I say? But if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I fell in love with the Ace Beauty palettes. Because of Boxycharm, I would have never heard about these palettes prior. But they're so creamy, so pigmented. I love, love, love these palettes. So I saw this. So this is how they get you. You get to pick what you want as your choice for your Boxycharm or your Boxy Premium. And then after you pick your choice, it's like, do you want to do some add-ons? And then it shows you all the prices of everything being on sale. So this, normally when you do Boxycharm, it's $25 a month. This box is only $21 a month. So I was like, it's cheaper than $25 a month. It's $4 cheaper, and I'm getting this palette that I wanted. So it was like a done deal, even if the other stuff I already have already. So this is what the palette looks like. It comes with a little clear slip. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. Like, these colors are so me. I love the gold. I love like the red, the pink. I am going to have a field day with this palette. So I had to have it. And if you haven't tried, if you didn't get this in your Boxycharm box, when they have the pop-up, I definitely recommend it because they're not expensive and they're really pigmented, very creamy. Like you don't even need a base. So if you guys watch my videos, you guys will know how much I love brushes. Like if I love a makeup brand, I buy a set of all their brushes. From eyeshadow, eyeliner, blush, concealer. Like I have sets of each brand's brushes because I love brushes. Because I guess that's the artistry in me. I like tools. So they gave us the Luxie brushes, which I already got already. Oh, I put it back. Was it backwards? But as you guys can see, I already have these brushes already, and I've been using them. I washed them, but because the hairs are so light, it's hard to get the color out. And I use like this color. I use like a hot pink, and it stains the brushes. They're hard to get out. But obviously, I already get these boxes, so I already have this already. But you can never have too much brushes, so I'm very happy for the extra brushes. Then I already also got these in a previous Boxycharm box. Tatcha is very expensive, so whenever anyone wants to give me Tatcha in any of the subscription boxes, I will gladly take it because this is very expensive. It's for dry skin. My skin is oily, but I actually like every once in a while giving myself a nice little glow, a little J-Lo glow. So got 2 of these. Oh, let me tell you the prices. So the Ace Beauty 8 palette was $24.99. So that already beat the value of the box. The box was $21 and this was $24 alone. The eye brush set was $21. So that's the price of the box. And the Tatcha mask are $24. So you see, it's always a better value. Even if you don't want something, you can like give it away, save them, give them as gifts. Like it's such a good value. Love, love, love these subscription boxes. So the next thing I got is a Tardia Shimmering Lip Paint. This is what the box looks like. And let's see what the color looks like. Oh, I am so happy. This is an Aisha color. I love my gold and I love my bronze. Wow. This must be a limited edition because I don't remember seeing this on counter. But can't wait to try this. This one I don't think they make anymore because I don't remember seeing this on counter. What is this called? Strike Gold. It's called Strike Gold. All right, so I got one more thing in my Boxycharm box, and that is a English Laundry No. 7 fragrance. This is what the box looks like. And now, I've never seen a fragrance, and I didn't even know Boxycharm ever partnered with anybody fragrance-wise, so this is my first time seeing this in a box. I've never heard of English Laundry No. 7 before, so this is going to be all new to me as far as scent-wise. I like more citrus, floral, fruity scents. Like I like fruity, like Escada. I like Juicy Couture, like Prada Candy. All of those sweet-smelling fragrances. I don't like anything woodsy or anything like musky or anything like too strong. So let's see if this passes the Aisha test as far as a fragrance. Okay, I smell a strong hint of vanilla, and even though I like sweet smelling scents like citrus and floral, I do not like the smell of vanilla. I do not like the smell of vanilla. It has like a vanilla powdery smell. Do not like it. So, since I already sprayed it and used it, I'll probably just give this to my mom, or someone who wants to use fragrance. Anybody want to use fragrance, let me know. No, I'm joking. I'm going to give it to my mom. But yes, that is the end of my Boxy April 2020 FOMO box. Fear of missing out. So with that being said, this is the end of my video. This is always the saddest part of my video. I'll see you guys soon. Everybody be safe. Bye.